Hello friends. Today's video is about a pickle made with lime. This video shows how to easily prepare lime pickle which can be served with an Onam feast. If you like the video, remember to like, comment and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. To prepare lime pickle, 12 limes have been taken here. These limes will be put in a pan with enough water and salt to boil. After boiling for 5 minutes, turn off the stove. The boiled limes have been removed from the water. Now they are being cut. One lime is cut into 4 pieces. All the limes have been cut. Set this aside. Now take a bowl. Take 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of spicy chili powder, half a teaspoon of fenugreek powder, and half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder, and set this aside. Now a pan has been placed on the stove to prepare the lime pickle. When the pan is hot, pour 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil into it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds to it and let them splutter. When the mustard splutters, add 2 dry red chilies and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Now add the powders that we have set aside and mix quickly. At this time, turn off the stove. Before the powders get too roasted, add the cut limes to it. Now, mix it well. If you want the pickle to be a little loose, you can add a little bit of the water used to boil the limes. Check the taste and add salt and asafoetida powder if needed. Again, mix it well. After the pickle has cooled down, pour about 1 tablespoon of vinegar into it. This is optional. Again, mix it well. Now the lime pickle, which can be served for an Onam feast, is ready here. This is a recipe that we can easily make at home. I hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, remember to like, comment and share. If you are watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe to the channel and follow the page. Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page have a lot of old videos. Try to watch them. So a new video will be coming soon. Until then, bye-bye.